3 things you say when you are surprised.
Oh my god. Omaki, temaki.
You don't say all that.
Pretty much. It sounds very similar to the Japanese sushi names, but
very smart, I must say.
3 body parts of a woman.
Hands, ears, eyes. I have made foot in the mouth moment already in my life. You can't like post it now.
So Japan's on your list.
It is.
Travel.
Not just because of food, because I've seen pictures and I've heard it's really beautiful place and one must visit.
Yeah, and now there's a cherry blossom season also.
Yeah.
And we've seen those pretty pictures, so clearly that's on our list too. How many countries have you traveled to? Do you keep a count of that?
No, I don't. But I don't repeat my destinations.
Oh, okay.
Because I feel life is too short. And if I keep going to the same place again, I'll probably miss out on the time to go to visit all possible places on this planet.
Yeah.
Which are too many.
True.
So, yeah, that's why I don't.
And I was going through your Instagram feed, okay, to look for the last place you visited, and it seems like it's been a while since you've gone on a holiday. Is that true?
Actually, it's been a while. I've posted about it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, which was the last place you visited?
I had gone to Dubai recently, which was more like an extended work from holiday. It was not a pure holiday. I had some work there. I ended up staying there for extra 2 days, which was a holiday also for me. So yeah, so that's why I did not really upload it, because it was not a new destination. It was work come holiday. So if I go to a next destination like a proper pure holiday, then I'll definitely upload.
Yeah. Are you an Instagrammer?
I am.
You are.
Not an obsessive one, because as I told you, I didn't really upload when I went to Dubai. It's not like I have to, but if I find a picture that I've clicked of mine, because I click pictures when I go for holidays. If I find something that's really beautiful and unique, or if I can create a picture that's going to be interesting and memorable, I'll do that and then post it.
But now, off late, a lot of actors have started vlogging their experiences. Do you think you would ever go down that route?
I hope not.
Oh, why is that?
Because I want to have a personal life, which is beyond always. I'm not a public property, I'm a public figure. I want to keep it like that. There was this thing I started, which I see a lot of people doing now, hashtag Taapsee Travels. I did that a couple of years back, since the time I started traveling. And me and my sister used to just keep making Insta stories and just blabbering whatever we felt like looking at, whatever we were looking at.
Yeah.
It turned out to be fun because people started asking me about it, and people started looking forward to it then.
Wow.
So they were like, because they're quite funny, because they're usually like a very Desi take on all these exotic locations that me and my sister used to go to. So yeah, it became quite a thing. Now a lot of people do it. But yeah, it was not really vlogging. Like it was just out of fun that we ended up doing it. It was not under pressure of vlogging it.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that I'll do again when me and my sister go for some kind of holiday.
Okay, good thing we don't have competition. Taapsee Pannu is not going the vlogging route, so it's safe. It's safe for us. And we're going to start the hashtag Curly Tails Travels. We're going to get that. Actually, we already have that, but more tips from you there.
See, it's quite long. Curly Tails Travels. Taapsee Travels with TAPC.
Oh, okay.
So that's quite short.
Okay.
So yeah, that's how I started.
All right. When you said a Desi take on destination, so are you one of those Desi travelers?
अब ऐसे मुझे याद नहीं है, मतलब it's my sister who had gone to Spain before I had gone to Spain, so she was explaining to me the history behind a lot of places there. यहाँ पे 2 तरह का culture होता है, पता नहीं कुछ एक dark होता है, कितना dark नहीं होता है, पता नहीं, her way of defining things was so bizarre and not really the rightful way of defining things, but it sounded funny. So people started like telling me that it's quite fun whatever both are doing. She once was trying to show me something and then she wanted to go to the loo. So and my Insta story was on and she decided, okay, now I'll come back from the washroom and then we'll see the remaining area. And she just very confidently went inside men's loo.
Oh,
And funnily, what happened was Insta story was on, and she went inside the loo, and she realized that it's Bad's loo, and that also got captured in the Insta story, and she was like, oh my god, sorry, and she came and ran towards the other side. So that was by chance it got recorded like that.
Yeah.
So these are the like unexpected crazy things that happened there. We didn't really plan it.
So which has been your most favorite place that you've been to?
Maldives, I think that was my favorite.
Oh, it's also quite a romantic destination.
But I went with my sister and 2 of my friends.
And you guys had a blast?
Of course.
Oh yeah?
That's why it's memorable. I got my scuba diving license there.
Oh wow. What kind of a traveler are you? Do you enjoy adventure?
Oh, totally.
Or-
Totally. I have to try all the adventure sports possible in that location. I will try the local food a lot. Definitely will prefer eating local food than the cuisine that I would want to, unless I've exhausted that option or I didn't really like the taste or something. But I try to go as local as possible, even traveling there locally. So I try to take the trams and the trains and all of that. So you'll use my Google Maps and then travel and plan it like that.
Oh, so while traveling internationally, you usually take a public transport?
Yeah.
Yeah, and isn't that the best way to feel how the locals live really, instead of Uber and taking a taxi?
Unless and until there's like, I'm really tired and we need to urgently reach at a particular place, then I'll Uber. But usually I use the train because it's nicer, you can see more things then.
That's true. Have you ever done skydiving, bungee jumping?
Skydiving and bungee jumping, as I told you before, are on my bucket list, which I want to do hopefully when I go to Australia, New Zealand, for that trip that I want to really take.
Now we're going to play a game with you, okay, which is called the 5-second fire. Okay. You'd be given only 5 seconds to answer a particular question. Name 3 street food dishes you can eat anytime.
Chole bhature, aloo tikki and aloo chaat.
Well done. You have 1 second left. 3 things you say when you're really shocked.
I don't want to say it here.
Come on, you can say it. Oops. Okay, now you have guessed it what you want to say. But okay, that could be one. What about the other 2? Are they all like swear words?
But I'm very, but it'll be halfway through sometimes. You don't want to complete it also sometimes, but they'll all be like something that I wouldn't want to say in a normal good mood, especially when I'm eating such good food. So please don't make me say all that.
Alright. 3 things you will take from a hotel.
Tissue paper, cream. That's all. Yeah, sorry.
3 things you will say to a cute baby.
Cute baby and sweet.
That's it.
Cute baby, it's just so nice. This is very intelligent, I must say.
Alright. The next one is 3 body parts of a woman.
Hands, ears, eyes.
I just added woman to make it a bit complicated. But
No, but you talk to a smart person.
Oh, yeah.
Very modest, I must say.
I was expecting a better answer, but fine. That would have been my headline, no?
Yeah, no, I'm very intelligent not to give you those kind of headlines. I have made foot in the mouth moment already in my life. You can't like force it now. It has to be very seamless and organic. You can't put words in my mouth. Yeah.
3 celebrities you last spoke with.
Anubhav Sinha, Vicky Kaushal, that's Anurag Kashyap.
Time's up, but okay. Last question. 3 people, this is going to be the toughest, huh? 3 people you love the most.
My sister, my mother, my father.
Oh, that was simple. Okay, you have only 3 more family members, so it becomes easy. I should have asked 2. Then there could have been a right. Yeah, okay. My bad.
Still, my sister would have been the first choice. I would have had trouble choosing from mom and dad.
Oh, is it? Okay.
There's a new twist to this. I also have to play this game with Taapsee, and she has some questions for me. Okay, now I'm getting nervous being on the other side. I've never experienced this before.
Name 3 reasons
Reasons.
why you would be late.
Traffic, hair, my daughter.
Yeah, you just got it. Okay. 3 things you keep in your bedstand or nightstand.
2 mobile phones and my specs.
That is 3.
You have two.
I have two mobiles.
तीन ही बोलते थे, बात ही खत्म हो जाती. तीन.
3 things you say when you are surprised.
Oh my god. Umaki, temaki.
You don't say all that.
Pretty much. It sounds very similar to the Japanese sushi names,
He's
but
very
yeah.
smart. Very smart, I must say.
3 excuses you give when you don't want to do something.
Tired, sleepy, daughter.
I think your daughter, when she grows up and sees this, is not going to be really happy. You've given her as an excuse for everything wrong.
But I get away with it all the time.
Wait till she grows up.
I've lost this. You played better than me.
No, I was also very bad.
And you win a lot of sushi.
That I won before the game started. I should have known, not played the game only.
And before we let you go, I want to know which is your dream destination? Which place do you want to visit next? With your sister or solo or
See, dream destination, I'm a beach person. So I love all destinations with good beaches. So I love that. Then so far, of all the places I've been to, the best beach destination has been Maldives. And the one I really want to go to, as I told you, is Australia-New Zealand trip. I've seen pictures of New Zealand and certain parts of Australia which are really, really beautiful. So I would really want to go and see. And yeah, I'm up to try Japanese cuisine in Japan. This is again one of those places I really want to go to.
Have you ever had a spiritual experience while traveling?
Every trip I do has got a spiritual experience because I totally detach. When I go for a holiday, I get totally detached from my regular life. So I actually feel like time has come to a standstill. That moment comes at least once in every trip I make with my sister, or I've gone alone also for one short trip. So I don't mind. It's good to spend some time with yourself also sometimes.
Yeah. We wish you all the best, Taapsee.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you're going to have lovely travels ahead. We've been to New Zealand myself and created a beautiful series of 5 to 6 episodes of various adventure sports, and it's a lovely destination you must visit. All right, thank you very much. Let's enjoy this Sunday brunch.